Temperature stabilized at 28 degrees.
Okay, bringing the specimen in now.
With the inflation port securely in place, a low-pressure, sterile air mixture begins to gently inflate the grease.
Non-toxic stabilizing agent is evenly applied to the
Our high-resolution optohanners perform a comprehensive quality check. This precision equipment uses rotating, blunt-edged blades to meticulously scrape away any routine.
A precisely measured acidic pickling solution, a mixture of salt and sulfuric acid, is After several hours, the pickling process is complete, and the drums automatically stop their rotation.
massive chrome tanning drums continue their rhythmic rotation, slowly tumbling the python skins through the pale blue chromium sulfate solution.
The wet blue python skins on the conveyor belt pass under a series of gentle, high-volume water jets, rinsing away any surface residues.
The retanning drums continue their gentle, rhythmic rotation, allowing the python skins to thoroughly absorb the complex.
As part of the retanning stage, specific fat liquors, emulsified oils, and waxes are introduced.
A highly concentrated, pre-mixed dye solution, formulated to achieve the exact desired color, is
Specific fixing agents are introduced into the dyeing drums. These chemicals help to permanently bond the dye.
Inside the vacuum drying chamber, the python skins are subjected to a carefully controlled vacuum environment, which rapidly draws out moisture at lower temperatures.
Once dry, the python skins are unloaded from the vacuum chamber and individually fed into an automated staking machine.
Roller press for flattening raw material. To ensure a perfectly flat and uniform surface, the python skins are fed through a high-pressure roller press.
Inside the glazing machine, a series of heated, polished agate or glass rollers rapidly move across the surface of the python skin, applying controlled pressure and friction.
Maintenance. A fine, even layer of a transparent, durable protective topcoat is sprayed onto their surface. This advanced
Glazing machine employment when the RAA currently
Robotic arms with gentle suction grippers carefully lift the precisely cut python leather panels from the cutting table.
smaller python leather panels are fed into a specialized edge finishing machine.
For certain luxury items, robotic arms apply a thin, even coat of specialized edge paint to the cut edges of the python leather panels.
Lining material preparation.
Rolls of high-quality lining material, often silk, cashmere, or fine
For certain garment confining even layer of specialized flexible adhesive.
An additional robotic arm applies a second line of stitching to the seams. This extra step enhances the garment's longevity and structural integrity.
Similarly, other specialized robotic stations assemble the collar and cuff components of the jacket.
Robotic arms use specialized tools to trim any excess thread, flatten seams, and apply any necessary internal reinforcements or binding.
The pre-assembled sleeves, collar, and cuffs are then precisely attached to the main body of the jacket by robotic sewing machines.
If any minute correctable flaws are identified during the final inspection, such as a loose thread, a specialized technician
Each sealed luxury box is affixed with a unique barcode and RFID tag,